Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join lumberpro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. Tall, untreated trees can become hazardous when exposed to natural forces such as strong winds or heavy rain. In such conditions, they may break or fall, posing significant risks. If a falling tree strikes a person or a vehicle, it can cause serious injuries or property damage. Tall, untreated trees can become hazardous when exposed to natural forces such as strong winds or heavy rain. In such conditions, they may break or fall, posing significant risks. If a falling tree strikes a person or a vehicle, it can cause serious injuries or property damage. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. Wood-splitting machines, equipped with razor-sharp blades and powerful hydraulic force, stand ready to do their job. As the log is placed into the machine, the splitting blades descend with immense force, slicing through even the toughest wood grains. Some machines use a hydraulic system, generating extreme pressure capable of cracking a log apart in seconds. The sharp sound of wood snapping fills the air as clean-cut pieces separate, revealing their inner grain patterns. In the past, splitting would require intense manual labor with heavy axes. Now, machines have taken over completely. Within seconds, a massive log can be reduced to smaller pieces without human effort. This advancement not only saves time, but also reduces accident risks and ensures precision in every cut. The wood splitting machines have done their job, transforming massive logs into precisely sized pieces. From here, these wooden parts move on to further processing, eventually becoming useful products in daily life. A new journey begins, all made possible by these powerful machines. A wood chipper is a specialized machine used to process excess wood, branches, and logs into small pieces for various purposes. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, it can quickly shred wood into chips or sawdust, maximizing the utilization of forest resources. When wood is fed into the machine, the cutting blades spin at high speed, slicing it into small pieces. These wood chips are then propelled through the discharge chute by a fan, ready for use. This continuous process ensures fast and efficient wood processing. Wood chipper, fast wood processing, reducing labor. White heavy checkmark saves storage space by minimizing wood waste. White heavy checkmark maximize resource utilization, prevent waste. White heavy checkmark wide range of applications in many different industries. Once the tree is fallen, the forestry machine doesn't stop but quickly moves to the trunk. An automatic clamping system secures the base while the circular saw continues cutting, slicing the trunk into shorter logs of standard sizes. If necessary, the machine's arm can rotate the saw in another direction to trim branches before processing the main trunk. The saw blade has an adjustable speed, ensuring precise cuts without damaging the wood grain. As the machine approaches a large tree, its arm moves forward, positioning the saw blade. A sensor system measures the tree trunk's size to adjust the cutting angle and force. The circular saw begins spinning rapidly, producing a powerful whirring sound. When it makes contact with the bark, the sharp teeth slice through the wood effortlessly. Sawdust flies in all directions, forming a fine dust cloud. The machine pushes the saw deeper, cutting through the tree's tough core. Within seconds, the trunk shakes, a deep cut appears, and the tree crashes to the ground with a loud thud. The Forestry circular saw machine is a powerful device that enables fast, precise, and efficient tree cutting. Equipped with a strong engine, flexible hydraulics, and smart sensors, it enhances logging productivity while ensuring worker safety. The Forestry circular saw machine operates continuously, capable of cutting dozens of trees per hour without stopping. Compared to traditional manual sawing, this machine significantly increases productivity, saving labor and time. Moreover, its advanced control system allows workers to monitor and operate it remotely, minimizing accident risks. The machine is also equipped with sensors to avoid obstacles, protect the surrounding environment, and ensure sustainable logging practices. When climbing steep slopes, log trucks face the risk of losing momentum or sliding backward if the road is too slippery. The driver must stay in a low gear to maintain traction and carefully control the throttle to prevent the wheels from spinning in place. On steep inclines, trucks may need to ascend in a zigzag pattern instead of going straight up, reducing the effective slope and improving grip. If the incline is too steep or the soil is too soft, a bulldozer or another truck may need to push from behind for assistance. In some cases, the driver might have to reduce the load, making multiple smaller trips to ensure safety. If the truck starts sliding backward, emergency brakes and wheel chocks made of wood or rocks can help prevent a dangerous descent.
Давай в запад. Еще. Сука, там шланги ебаные. Их нельзя подвернуть вверх. Давай, сука, маленько остается. Подожди.
Forest roads often have sharp turns, with narrow paths and no guardrails. When approaching a turn, the driver must slow down early and steer gradually to prevent the truck from tipping over.
Сила. Выдернули. Молодцы.
On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. Follow the channel to explore the world of logging. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos.